this is a little video to show what happens when wafer paper meets humidity. And this is just a piece of wafer paper. I'm holding it like this. The humidity today, it's raining. And you might hear my neighbors out there doing something with power tools in the rain, which makes no sense to me, but whatever. The humidity is probably around 78, 79%. I'm just holding it. I can feel that it's softening up. And I don't think it should take too much longer. Sorry for the wiggly camera. I'm holding it in my hand. Now, I'm not sure how long this has been, but if you had made wafer paper flowers that were just like a little single petal, someone made the comment that they look like the elementary school art projects. You know the ones, admit it. If you made flowers like that, and they're outside on a cake in a rainy day, or a day that's nice and sunny but with lots of humidity, they're going to start to sag like this paper is sagging. I can feel it's buckling. It's doing all kinds of interesting stuff. I'm not turning my hand and it's starting to fall. It's just softening up. When there's water on wafer paper, it absorbs it and it softens up. And there's nothing you can do about it. It's just the nature of the beast. You can try coating it with Crisco. Like some people will put Crisco in petal dust to color it. That might help. See, it's saggy. It's getting wet and droopy. And I'm not doing anything weird. I'm not doing any kind of weird magic tricks to make it sag. But it's just absorbing the moisture from the air, and this is what happens to it. And I just put this up so that you can see how quickly it happens. If you had a wedding outside on a humid day, I would not trust wafer paper flowers, because this has been 2 minutes according to the clock, and this is what's happened to the paper already. It's softened up. Look, it's floppy now. It was stiff when I started. If I stayed out here for any length of time, it's going to be completely bent over. I mean, I know you can't feel this. It's not stiff anymore, it's soft. So, just don't trust them. If you have to do wafer paper flowers for an indoor wedding, that's not an issue. If it's outdoor and it's going to be humid, I would do a test run beforehand, because you can't do this to wafer paper normally. And with the moisture in the air, that's going to ruin your flowers, and it's going to be saggy and terrible. And that would be disappointing for everyone, and you're going to be getting a nasty call saying the flowers melted. So that's it. It's my tale of woe and warning for you, so just watch out.